You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The best answer to anger is silence. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. It is not events that disturb people, it is their judgment concerning them. To love only what happens, what was destined, no greater harmony. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Receive without conceit, release without struggle. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Be content to seem what you really are. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Reject your sense of injury and the injury itself disappears. Our life is what our thoughts make it. How soon will time cover all things, and how many it has covered already? The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. Each of us needs what nature gives us, when nature gives it. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Nothing natural is evil. How much more grievous are the consequences of anger than the causes of it? When someone is properly grounded in life, they shouldn't have to look outside themselves for approval. Look well into thyself. There is a source of strength which will always spring up if thou wilt always look. He who follows reason in all things is both tranquil and active at the same time, and also cheerful and collected. You are a little soul carrying about a corpse, as Epictetus used to say. Stick to what's in front of you: idea, action, utterance. Do every act of your life as though it were the very last act of your life. Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. What we do now echoes in eternity. Don't be overheard complaining, not even to yourself. perfection of character is this: to live each day as if it were your last, without frenzy, without apathy, without pretense. Do not be perturbed, for all things are according to the nature of the universal, and in a little time you will be nobody and nowhere. Look back over the past, with its changing empires that rose and fell, and you can foresee the future too. Let not your mind run on what you lack as much as on what you have already. For it is in your power to retire into yourself whenever you choose. How ridiculous and how strange to be surprised at anything which happens in life.